Any discovery or any systematization of the correlation between natural phenomena requires transitioning from the concept of material nature to the concept of spiritual nature. At the foundation of the material world lie principles such as space, time, causality, and lawfulness, which, although they are prerequisites for the existence of nature, are themselves non-natural. They do not belong to the realm of nature. Materialism, in its attempt to provide a comprehensive picture of existence, not only blindly denies the entire field of spiritual phenomena, but also fails to interpret the natural world itself because it is forced to accept without explanation. Its highest prerequisites: time, space, lawfulness, and change. Positivism, in interpreting existence, refuses to step beyond the boundaries of the sensorially given image of the world. The existence of God is demonstrated by Aristotle through the argument of the unmoved mover. Everything that moves is moved by something else, and since infinite regression is impossible, we must arrive at something that moves other things without itself being moved. This uncovered mover is God. God is not like a primal matter, because primal matter represents absolute passivity, while God is absolute activity. God is absolute activity. In God, there is no composition, therefore God is not a body. As bodies have parts, God is his own essence, self-existent. In God, essence and existence are identical concepts.